Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to use a Roblox gift card on your mobile device. First, it's important to know that you cannot redeem gift cards directly within the Roblox app. Instead, you'll need to open a web browser on your phone, such as Chrome or Safari, and go to the official Roblox website. Once there, simply log in to your Roblox account to begin the process. Next, find the 12-digit PIN on your Roblox gift card. If it's a physical card, you might need to gently scratch off a silver strip to reveal the code. Once you have the PIN, type it accurately into the code box on the redemption page. Double-check for any typos, as some letters and numbers can look similar. After confirming, tap the Redeem button to add the credit to your account. After successfully redeeming your gift card, the value is usually added as Roblox credit to your account. To use this credit for in-game purchases, you'll need to convert it into Robux. Head over to the Robux purchase page or the gift card redemption page on the website. You'll see an option to convert your available credit into Robux. Simply choose the amount you wish to convert. With your Robux now in your account, the fun truly begins. You can spend your Robux on a wide variety of items to customize your avatar, like unique clothing, cool accessories, or fun animation packs. You can also purchase game passes to unlock special abilities or items within your favorite experiences, or even buy a Roblox Premium membership for exclusive perks and a monthly Robux allowance. Enjoy exploring all the possibilities.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.